Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and let's talk about polynomial functions using factoring. So let's have this example. Let's solve for the polynomial function of p of x is equal to x raised to 3 minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 10. In solving polynomial functions using factoring, our first step is for us to equate our polynomial function to 0. So changing p of x to 0. So we will have x raised to 3 minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then our next step is for us to apply factoring by grouping. So we will group our first and second term, third and fourth term. And between them, we will insert the addition symbol to separate the first group and the second group. So let's rewrite this. Okay, so after grouping, our next step is to apply common monomial factoring for each group. So factoring our x raised to 3 minus 5x squared using common monomial factoring. So the common factor of this group is x squared. Okay, so we will divide each term by x squared. So we will have x minus 5. Okay, so for our second group, we have negative 2x plus 10. So since we have a negative leading term for this group, we need to factor out the negative sign. And then let's get the common factor. So the common factor of the second group is 2. So we factor out negative 2 and divide each term of our second group by negative 2, giving us x minus 5. Okay? Now, if you can observe, we have a common factor that is x minus 5. So let's factor that out. So we have x minus 5. Then, the other factor will be x squared minus 2. So, this will be the factor of our polynomial. Now, after getting the factor, our next step is to equate each factor to 0. So, we will have x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x squared minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, next let's solve for the value of x. So let's solve for the value of x of each equation. So let's transpose negative 5 to the other side, changing the sign. X will be equal to 5. That will be our first value of x. Then let's solve for the value of x of our second equation. So same procedure, transpose negative 2 to the other side, changing the sign, it will be positive 2. Let's get the square root of both sides. Getting the square root of both sides to eliminate the exponent. Okay, so since we apply the square root property, we need to get both positive and negative roots of square root of 2. So since the square root of 2 is square root of 2, we will have positive negative square root of 2. Now let's write our value of x. So we now have the value of x of this polynomial function, which is 5, positive square root of 2, and negative square root of 2. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.